Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very well-known street food of India, bread pakoda. It is a yummy and very quick to make snack that can be made from fresh or leftover bread. It can be best enjoyed at tea time with ketchup or with any chutney of your choice. So let us start preparing this delicious mouth-watering snack. Let us first take a look at the ingredients that we will need. 3 slices of bread. You can use wheat bread or regular white bread. 2 medium-sized or 1 big potato, boiled and peeled. Gram flour or besan 1½ cups. Rice flour 1½ tablespoons. Salt by taste. Red chili powder according to taste. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Carom seeds 1/2 teaspoon. Sodium bicarbonate 1/4 teaspoon. And enough oil in a pan for deep frying. Let us start by preparing the batter. To the gram flour, first add the rice flour, some salt according to your taste, turmeric powder, carom seeds and sodium bicarbonate. Let us mix everything a little. Now slowly add water while simultaneously mixing by hand, and we are going to make it into a thick but runny batter. Make sure that there are no lumps left of the gram flour. So here we have a perfect batter, thick and runny, to coat the bread slices nicely. To give you an idea, I used about 1 cup of water for this batter. Now let's keep this aside for some time. Now add some salt to the boiled potato and also some red chili powder. Now mash the potato and simultaneously mix it with the salt and the red chili powder. Mash it nicely so that no big pieces are left. And let's keep this aside for some time. Now take 1 slice of bread and cut it diagonally to make 2 triangles. Now to make a big sized pakoda, you can either keep a big triangle like this, or you can further split it into half in this way and make 4 triangles from 1 bread slice. Similarly, cut the other 2 slices of bread as well. So here the bread slices are ready for the next step, but before we proceed further, let us keep the oil for heating. And now we are going to coat each of these triangles with some mashed potato that we prepared. In this way, stick a small portion, just a thin layer of this mashed potato on one side of each triangle. Now here you have some choices that you can make. You can either keep it just as it is, or you can flip it to the other side and also apply little potato on this side of the bread, or you can cover it with another triangle in this way. So in either case, if you double coat 1 triangle or use 2 triangles for 1 bread pakoda, then your pakoda is going to be bigger in size. But right now I am going to keep it as it is, and in the same way I am going to coat the rest of the triangles as well with some potato. So the first batch of bread pakoda is ready for frying, and our oil should also be enough hot by now. Now bring the batter closer to the oil and dip 1 triangle of the bread into the batter. Coat it nicely with the batter on both sides, and then carefully lift it up and drop it into hot oil in this way. And similarly, you have to repeat with the rest of the triangles. Coat it nicely with the batter and then drip off the excess batter in this way and carefully drop it into hot oil. And in the same way we are going to fry the first batch of pakodas. You can add as many as can fit inside the oil pan. Keep the flame on medium and keep turning the pakodas in between couple of times, and you have to deep fry them till they are nice golden in color. When they are done, drain excess oil and remove them on a paper towel. And in the same way, repeat with the rest of the bread triangles. So these delicious hot bread pakodas are ready to serve. Serve them with simple ketchup or with any chutney of your choice. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and also post any questions or comments. Thank you for watching Uma's Kitchen.